Subscribe to Tech Now Review to get all kinds of tech news and press the bell icon to get notified for our future uploads. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can take these types of awesome slow-mo pictures from your mobile phone camera. But before starting this, make sure to follow us on Instagram. Links will be provided down below in the description box. My name is Abhishek, you're watching Tech Now Review. Let's get started. Alright, for taking slow motion shots from our mobile phone camera, we need to get into the camera app on our phone. Nowadays, every phone camera app comes with a manual mode, but still if your phone doesn't have a manual mode on the camera app, you can get into the Play Store and download this app called Camera FV Lite. Download it and open it. Now make sure you have adequate light while taking these slow motion pictures, and I recommend you to take these pictures in outdoor natural light for best results. From here, first tap on the P button and select S, which is the manual mode. Select the shutter speed to around 1/1000 or 1/1500. Depending on the lighting condition, you have to select this number. If you are shooting in daylight, then you can set this to 1/1500, as because the outdoor daylighting condition will give you adequate amount of light, wherein you can set this number to a maximum of 1/1500 or 1600 as per the lighting condition. Now tap on the gallery icon button and select the burst option from here. It will show you that the burst mode is on. Now you can do all of these from your default camera app, but for example, I am showing this on this manual camera app. Now once we are ready with the settings, simply tap and hold the shutter button and it will start clicking images in burst mode. Make some motion in your shot, like in this case I am throwing a lemon in the water. Do whatever you feel like and you will get some awesome looking slow-mo images from your mobile phone camera. And guys, that's the way how you can take some awesome slow-mo pictures, not from your DSLR, but making your mobile phone camera act like a DSLR and take some awesome slow-mo pictures from any mobile phone camera. And that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to subscribe to our Hindi channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.